look at Farmstead Golf Course. They got weddings, they got lakes, they got 27 holes of golf. And with 3 9-hole golf courses, let's go ahead and swing through. We're here at the interesting 27-hole complex Farmstead Golf Course. I've been looking forward to getting out here. The course was completed by Byron Phoebus in 1987. In 1965, the Byron Phoenix Golf Course, that was in 1965. They officially opened some of the golf course here.
It is all 18 holes technically. It was purchased in 1961 and it was originally a dairy farm. In 1963, 9 holes was completed, the club view, and then another 9 holes was completed called the lake view in 1965, making it an 18-hole.
It's an old farm, it looks like?
Old farm, the guy just turned into a golf course himself.
Cool. It's beautiful.
It is, man.
Off at the Valley View Golf Course.
And that was the last 9-hole course, completing 27 holes at this complex. The farm was originally owned by the Lydecker family, which had 275 acres of farmland and a 20-acre pond. They decided to sell the golf course in the early 1960s. 1961, it was officially sold. Then by 1963, 9 holes was completed at this facility, as mentioned. And it was only $1.50 a round. Now, July 1979, we saw the final 9, the Valley View, which I'm playing right now, was built by Byron himself, who owned the land and built it.
And it's 2% of all golf owners build a course themselves. So it's very, very rare. All right, we're at hole number 7, probably the furthest point in the golf course. There's a good chance there's bears out here. There's a lot of shit on some of the tee boxes. First time seeing that. That might be, and I don't want to say it, that might be bear shit. I don't think a horse would go through here. I do have bear spray, which is kind of funny to bring that, but I ended up bringing it this time. It's a cool facility. You got the rock right there, which I was excited to see. Made me even drop my golf club when I saw it. Could be a little gimmicky, I don't know. The price is right though, so I can't talk bad about it. That's the one thing. I want to talk bad about it, but with the price, you know, for $25 to walk it.
It's definitely well worth the trip. I actually really did enjoy this course. I was tired towards the end of the travels, but not taking away from the facility. I learned a lot just kind of digging into the history, which was awesome to see that the original landowners of the farm had a daughter which married into the family of the golf designer's son. So that was kind of cool to see. That took place in 1974. And it's really still a family-run business, even though it's a big operation. It feels like you're at a resort when you're here. Got the massive lake. I would have loved to have played the other 9-hole courses here, the lake view. But I ended up at the Valley View course that you're looking at right now. And it's still a great facility. It was just better for filming. There was less people out there. I had more control of getting some interesting shots that we were trying
to swing hard.
It's affordable, at least in the twilight rate time. If you play during the heat of the day or the nicest part of the day, yeah, it's probably a little bit more expensive, but it's definitely comparable to the other courses in this area, and there's not many options. So you're going to have to swing through here if you're going to be playing a lot of golf. With 27 holes, you're really going to have an opportunity to at least play some golf. If it's a Sunday or something crazy, it might get pretty busy, but for the most part, I feel like you can have yourself an open 9 depending on your flexibility of which course you want to play. Overall, I think my opportunity to come out here again is high and hopefully play the other 9 holes here that you could see. Unfortunately, Byron has passed away a few years back, but his legacy still lives on through his family that owns and operates it, and the golf course that still sits there to this day. It's a beautiful piece of history, and hopefully it remains the same. Let us know down in the comment section if you played this course. That's going to do it for our list. Keep a lookout for more videos to come. This is the Parfessor, an independent golf channel focused on fun, affordable golf in your area. If you're not watching, go play some golf today.